Yeah, just they're gonna give it more coverage. You are the joke, and I could be the blackboard, you can be the top, I can be the front. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I, with your pretty little hands. Even when we're down to the wire, baby, even when it's you or die, we can do it, baby, simple and plain. There's a love, there's a show, baby.
That never gotta see that. That never gotta see that. That never gotta see that. That never gotta see that.
Be the fire, baby. If I'm a blunt, be the lighter, baby. Fire it up, brighter, baby. You be the cool. If I'm a lyric, baby, you be the new. Or I sing, I'm a sinner. Class, I'm a winner, and it's you. What did I do to serve that paper, baby? I be the pen. Say I am the one, cause you want to. Feeling up today, even when the sky can't fall. Even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I, with your pretty little hands. Even when I'm down to the wire, baby, even when it's do or die, we can do it, baby, simple and plain. There's a love, there's a show,
Hey you guys, and I have like 14% left on this camera. Wonderful. The coffee machine or the espresso machine is all set up now. Look at that. So cute. You guys, I realized something that I didn't know I didn't know about my camera, my actual ZV-E10. It's the LCD screen is touch in a way, like in a sense. It's touch. Like if I want to focus on one part of, like if I want to focus on something in the background, like for example, that brown box, if I tap the brown box on my screen, watch it focus and then it defocuses me. You guys, now watch it focus back on me once I tap my face on my screen. I literally was appalled. I was shocked. I had my mouth open for a good 10 minutes, like literally tapping away. I'm like, what? I had no idea that. I guess I didn't really look into my camera the way that I thought I did. Cause if that was the case, I would have known that about my camera. I guess I didn't. Right now I'm currently going through the user manual for this. I don't have a descaler for the machine just yet, and I do feel like I need to go ahead and get that just in case, because typically you have to descale your coffee / espresso machines before using it for the very first time. So I may need to get a descaler first, which I'm pretty sure I can find like at Walmart or either like at Best Buy maybe. But yeah, this has an app where I can connect it to my phone according to this manual. Look at me touching the screen. According to this manual here. So I'm going to look more into it and then post a little short. I'm gonna go ahead and start looking at this manual thing, and then I'll probably talk to you guys a little later. We are like literally 4 days away from Christmas. All my gifts are wrapped except for 3 items, which are quite easy to wrap. I need to put one of them in one of the gifts in one of my little chewy, ooh, my hair, you guys. Like I was mentioning, I do have one gift that needs to go in a box, and I have empty boxes downstairs from Chewy deliveries as well as Amazon deliveries. So I'm gonna take one of the smaller boxes, put the gift in there, wrap it up. And then when I go upstairs, I'll show you guys my gifts that I wrapped. This is my first year like wrapping gifts. Typically before I never did like wrap gifts. I just handed it to them, or I had it like I had it in like in a little like, you know, gift bag. But this year I wanted to do gifts again, and I wanted to wrap them. So I wanted to take the simplistic but elevated chic approach. So I used craft paper to wrap all my gifts. And then I ordered a semi-satin / silk material, like ribbon, if you will. But the sides of the ribbon are frayed, so it gives it a little texture. And it's in a burgundy kind of red color, so it matches perfectly with the craft paper, because the craft paper is brown, almost like this kind of color, right? And then with a burgundy red like ribbon to kind of like wrap around it. At this point, I'm definitely a pro at wrapping gifts, all thanks to TikTok and YouTube, obviously. Because before this week, I wouldn't have known how to wrap a gift. And now I'm just busting through these gifts, just wrapping quick. So that's that. And another thing, you guys, don't feel pressured to buy gifts or to buy, you know, to give gifts this season. Honestly, I went, and I can just be transparent, because I mean, it's my channel, it's my diary, so I can just be I can be transparent if I want to. But For the longest, I stopped giving gifts for a multitude of reasons on Christmas because I kind of felt like I, myself included, was getting all bent up on the gifts that was given and received and the level of emphasis that was put into giving gifts, or the level of thought or effort that was put into giving gifts. And I got to a point where I was like, okay, I'm focusing on the wrong things. Like, gifts are nice, don't get me wrong, but the gifts are not what make Christmas Christmas. Like, there's a reason behind the season. As cliche as that sounds, it's absolutely true. There's a reason why we're celebrating Christmas. It's not just to give gifts. It's to celebrate the life that was born. It's to celebrate the ultimate sacrifice that was given to us. You know what I'm saying? Like, are you picking up what I'm putting down? Like, so I stopped giving gifts, and I honestly didn't expect anyone to give me anything. I never said, this is what I want for Christmas. You're not gonna get that from me. If you have it in your heart that you want to give, then by all means you give, and I'd receive it. But I wasn't passing out gifts. Like, I just stopped. But this year I wanted to give gifts. I just wanted to, like, I wanted to. And I think also at the same time, I think because this is my niece's first Christmas, I wanted it to be special, you know what I'm saying? And the last thing that I wanted to do, what was that? Hold on. The last thing that I wanted to do was to give my niece a gift, and then I give the boys a gift, like my nephews. But then I was like, okay, if I'm giving my niece and my nephews a gifts, I should go ahead and just give everyone else gifts. So I think my gifts that I'm giving this year are very sentimental, very custom, if you will. Like, everyone's gonna get like a really nice gift that I feel like everyone needs. It's a necessity, you know what I'm saying? The gifts that I'm giving are necessities, at least for the adults and for Beige, because she's still a baby. But the boys, they have pretty much everything. So my gifts are more just like, you know, fun gifts or whatever, things that they like to do or like they would like use. But for the adults, it's pretty custom. It's nice. It's gonna be so nice. I hope everyone likes it. You know what I'm saying? If they don't, by all means, that's cool. See, why not? But anyway, I think everyone's gonna like their gift. Like I said, I'm giving it a luxury feel because of how custom it's gonna be. Obviously, it needs to fit before I can get it customized. So if that isn't enough of a hint as to what they're getting for Christmas, I don't know what is. But either way, we're gonna go ahead and head upstairs so that you guys can see the gifts that I wrapped. This one's hard. This is a lot harder than I thought. Okay. Wait a second. Okay, what is happening? This is actually like really annoying. Again? Oh.
Garage door open. Garage door open.
High volume, high volume.
Young gun no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick with they purge.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Young gun no one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pour us a serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go get like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. Young gun no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick with they purge.
I got my dogs out on poppin' at the Ritz. I got them coming in, shit look like a blitz. She wanna check me up, she wanna check my feet. I pull up the Maybach jumping, shawty better check my hips. I don't know why they all can't stand me. I guess I'm too demanding. Private landing, I guess I keep my candy. She silver so good when the beach is sandy. I got it in Yoko, better call me ready.
I'm in the beat with P-Lady, QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Givers my only decision. Young gun no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third.
Hey you guys, we're currently in the process of mounting my TV. I thought I was gonna buy a new TV and I've decided not to buy a new TV. I'd rather just repurpose the TV that I currently have. So we're about to put up my old TV here until I find a TV that I actually do want to splurge on. So in the meantime, yeah, we're just gonna use the TV that we have from my old apartment and put it up here. So
At your front door.
I'll let you guys watch as we get started.
disasters. My baby